Let's walk through.
What's good with y'all young boys, man? Kevo gang, we back in the building with another trading video, you feel me? Hey, and today, man, as y'all read from the title, man, I'm gonna be doing a trade breakdown, man. This is my first, well, nah, this is not my first trade breakdown that I ever did before, man. So, yeah, actually, I ain't even tell y'all that I actually did my first account flip. It was just crazy. Well, yeah, my first account flip, and it was on this trade right here. I turned $70 into like 200 something, like 200, 250, something like that. So yeah, I mean, it ain't like a account flip from like $70 to $1,000. I mean, I believe I honestly But anyways, man, and this is the same trade that I took on my challenges as well. I'm still in the process of doing that. I'm gonna bring y'all more videos on that too, man. This video, man. Okay. We online. We good. Okay, guys. So everyone knows that I trade on the hour time frame, right? This is the hour time frame, right? This is replay mode. This is Friday, April 23rd. No, April 21st, 2023. So boom. So first thing why I even looked at this setup to take in the morning was because my first indicator is the RSI. It lets me know when things are extremely oversold and overbought. You feel me? This is overbought, this is oversold. I know a lot of people be trying to bake technical traders and people that use RSI and MACD and just use technicals, but I'm just not a pure technical trader. I also use price action as well, you know. That's why the stage come into. Like, I'm really trading the stage. I'm not even really trading the indicators. The indicators don't mean nothing at the end of the day. Like, it's what price is doing. We just use it just to get us a little more guidance. Like, all traders use it, but it's just not solely when they cross over and nah, gang. It's more logic behind this stuff, man. For it's a system. We use all these together, not just one a piece. So, anyways, I use the RSI first to let me know when things are extreme. I don't even care about the middle. I only care about the extreme points, you feel me? So when this got extreme, like, okay, it's overbought. I got that signal at 1 in the morning. I'm asleep. I ain't wake up till about 7 something. So this is at 6. So anyways, let me go to 7. This 7. Okay, this 7 o'clock. This when I woke up and got in around like 7:30. But anyway, so RSI, right? Boom. And then I seen this right here, right? This is the stage. I'm going to teach you. This is the anchor. This is the lowest low at 1 in the morning. That's the lowest price has went, right? That's the lowest price has went. Let me zoom in a little bit. Just act like you know what I'm talking about. Okay? Take this off. This is the lowest low, right? I need 4 bars after this candle for this to be considered a bottom. To confirm this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. When I got this candle right here, I knew, okay, this is probably a bottom, right? I got 4 candles. Then I'm turning these back on. And then I got momentum. See, this down here is ticking up with this as well. It stopped. This lets me know that momentum is changing, that the bears is losing steam and the bulls is coming into the market. You feel me? Once I get a crossover, it confirms it again too. But I'm gonna get to that next. So once I got the 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think it's the bottom. Now I'm waiting on price to get above the 5. Price got above the 5 right here. Boom. You see it close. Wait till the close of the candles as well. Don't be getting in because it's shooting up all crazy. Wait for the close. You'll know when it's closed when the next one pops up and this is printed. Wait till this candle get printed. You feel me? This candle got printed at 7 o'clock. You feel me? Well, after 7 o'clock. So really 8 o'clock, this candle got printed. You feel me? But anyways, but this candle closed at 6. I'm like, okay, yeah, this is a good indicator. But anyways, I'm sorry. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we get a close right here. Boom. That lets me know that price is going in my direction. Now all I'm waiting on is this MACD to confirm that price is crossed, right? This candle right there confirms it. Okay, boom. That's another confirmation. Okay, boom. This is most likely a bottom. I'm finna start adding. How I do it? I usually just add my position right here. Boom, I just add it right after this candle close. I'm adding, boom, I add. Or fuck around, add over here on this candle. You never know. That's just me. For people like you, y'all should wait till they get to the crossover. For real. Like this. But this is what I did. Got in right here. Went to right here. Seen this. I put my stop at the bottom of structure. You feel me? Sometimes I like to use the parabolic SARS like a moving stop loss. Sometimes I like to use it to get a little tighter, stop. But 9 out of 10, I'm just going right here on the structure. You feel me? Just to be safe. Some people use their shit closer, right there, and all that. But I don't do that. I like to give my trades a little room, and just target higher RRs. So boom, I'm automatically just targeting up here for right now, y'all. I'm just targeting right here. Something like that. Because usually on the stock market open, you get some funny bids and shit could come down to dinner right here and then shoot back up. Anything can happen. You don't know if it's just gonna shoot up, you know what I'm saying? So you just do that. Whoop. But well, it's a quick little 1 or 2, that's not bad. But usually, and oh yeah, damn, another big part of why I confirmed this, you go to the 4 hour as well. Go to the 4 hour as well. We got a bottom right here too. A little tick. I don't know, I'm a little risky. This was a risky play because the 4 hour just got 1 bar, but like the daily is in the uptrend. So yeah, green light. Really, so how you want to day trade and stuff like that, you want to use the higher time frames to let you know the overall trend and just take, this high trade and just take buys or sales to that direction, So I use the daily and the 4 hour for that to let me know like where we at. Right now, there's really a stage 4, but I'm taking a jump because the MACD's ticking up right here and we got a good setup. This is an A+ setup and we got the 200 SMA. You know what I'm saying? So let's say if I was adding 5, let's just do this, 500K, right? Let's just do that, right? We'll buy. We'll click. Look at that. So 8 o'clock, right? Boom, it's 8 o'clock. Say you just enter right there at 8 o'clock, right? And you go back to the 4 hour. This candle just printed. We going up on B. We going up. This candle just printed at 8 o'clock. Really, I was a little iffy. I'm like, oh no, this a 4 o'clock in the morning candle. That's why I said I don't know if I would have took it. But at 8 o'clock, say if I just got in right here, right? Like it's like okay, say like, oh damn, it's pushing. I just missed the trade. You really didn't, because if you click the next candle, oh no, damn, yeah, you missed that trade, gang. That's why you gotta be on P with this shit. Know what I'm saying? I lied, my bad, but this is the trade that I took to flip my account or whatever, though. No bad. So say if I put that much in there, hold up, you feel me? And you got to be able to hold these trades, gang, because you're looking at the 4 hour. Look, the 4 hours in the uptrend. Okay, I'm holding. I'm gonna hold this. You feel me? I'm gonna hold my balls. You feel me? I'm holding this. You feel me? And you could have targeted right there and then left a runner and collected all that. You feel me? Like this same setup could be a $5 trade, 5-cent trade, $1 trade, or a 638,000 trade, or a $1 million trade. It don't matter. It's just the same setup, But I could get deeper into the strategy and all that stuff, man, and the nuances of it and stuff like that I have to figure out myself, man. But this strategy is fractal. You could do it on a 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month, 1 week. It don't matter what time frame you on, bro. You could do it on a 1 minute. My mentor do this shit on a 1 minute and teach me how to do it, how to trade, and then while trading on a 1 minute chart, getting bread on the NASDAQ, gang. Like, that's tough. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's tough. You feel me? But hopefully one day I get that, man. Really, we want to keep holding this trade too until the 4 hour get hot. And the daily hot too, yes. This is a good chance to take off. That's what I did, man. I could put it up on the screen for y'all. The results I got when I was up. It was crazy. I was excited because it's my first time doing something like that. So I was really excited. Like, damn, like I really know what the fuck I'm doing. Like, I'm really goated at this shit. Like, I could do this shit. So that's why I'm bringing this stuff to y'all, man. Hopefully just trying to get y'all some value. Let me know what I can work on down below in the comments, how my teaching is, if y'all got some type of value. But you want to use these multiple time frames, man, to help you, man. Like the 4 hour really helped me step up my trading to the next level, man. And I'm finna go stupid, bro. Like for real. Like these are trades I'm in right now. Same exact setup, man. I'm in this right now. The red dot right there. Well, not dot. The red line right here is where I got in at. No, we got a little drawdown right now. I took two. I hit 2 TPs already right here, and I took off at the 200 because that's true value. You know what I'm saying? I took some off. I didn't take all. I took some off, not all, some, and left the rest on to hit these up here. You know what I'm saying? That's that one. I took it because I go to the daily. Now look, this is what I be saying. This is what I'm saying about I'm a stage trader. You know what I'm saying? Because on the daily, I gotta turn it back on. Sorry, y'all. On the daily, this is a big ass stage one. Well, a big ass consolidation. Price is trading in the zone of this white box, right? So that's a stage one to me. That's a stage one. And for it to be a stage 4, we're going down. We gotta break this zone of trading. Like we tried to break out, we got came back in, break out, came back in. You see that pattern? It's a pattern that we're doing. It's a pattern. But I have to teach y'all that another day on market structure on my next video. But this is stage 1, go down to the 4 hour, and we just taking the most extreme points in the 4 hour. Like you could sell these two, you could do some nasty sales if you wanted to, but I'm really taking buys when we get in these stage 1s. We're doing right here from the wrap this up. Hopefully we get up here from the wrap this up though, hopefully. And yeah, man, that's what we do. And we enter on the 1 hour when we get to these points, man. Still holding this, man. That's that one. Then I'm also in this one as well. Also in this one as well. Same exact setup, man. We go to the daily. We're in this zone right here. We're in this big ass zone. We pushing up. Came back down the zone. Go to the 4 hour. We've been making a big ass stage 1 on the 4 hour. Like, okay, it's a bottom. Shit, we extreme. Got the bottom. Okay. Then I go to the hour and I got my setup right here and I entered. Well, that's somewhere. Shit. Price, where the fuck I entered that? This is my stop loss though. That's a little 1 to 3, almost 1 to 4. If we get up though, you know, hopefully we do. But anyways, yeah, man. That's the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the trade breakdown, man. Yeah, man. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on my journey and make sure y'all, you know, tune into my other channel, Kevo Reacts. I love y'all boys for life, man. I'm gone. Peace.
I turn around, man, this bitch, I'm killing shit like I'm Herb. You can't fuck with me, I do that shit, I rap this just to burst. All the fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm against it on me. And that be the fucking till you fucking know me. I'm Kevo gang in this bitch, 100 kind of way. Bitch, we in this bitch T every fucking day.